This is Sangxi's Cloud. This is Census 2. We will quickly deliver news about the Middle East war. Here are the US military aircraft that have been damaged so far. 1 F-35 fighter jet damaged, 4 F-15E fighter jets shot down, 1 A-10 Thunderbolt II attack aircraft shot down, 1 E-3G Sentry electronic warfare aircraft destroyed, 8 KC-135 aerial refueling aircraft destroyed, 17 MQ-9 Reapers shot down, 1 UH-60 Blackhawk helicopter damaged, 2 HH-60G Pavehawk helicopters damaged, and 1 CH-47 Chinook helicopter destroyed. This is northern Tehran. Multiple explosions have occurred in northern Tehran. This is Tehran. The US and Israeli militaries jointly attacked Iranian military sites in Tehran. The Strait of Hormuz is shown. A cement factory in Hamir Shar was attacked, likely by the US military, with no reported casualties. The Israeli military has ended its attack on the Bushehr nuclear power plant. There was no impact on the operation of the facility and no radioactive leakage. This is northern Israel. This is the moment a Hezbollah rocket landed. US and Israeli airstrikes destroyed the Shalamcheh border office on the Iran-Iraq border. The Rumaila oil field in Iraq was attacked by Iran. 2 drones flew in, and as a result, 3 Iraqi workers were injured. The fire at the Mina al-Ahmadi refinery in Kuwait has been burning for more than 24 hours since it was hit by an Iranian drone attack. A drone attacked a foreign oil company warehouse in Basra, Iraq, causing a fire. The Israeli military launched a large-scale attack on Iran's petrochemical plant. There was also an attack on the Bushehr nuclear power plant. The Israeli military said it completed additional airstrikes in Beirut, targeting facilities used by the Iranian Quds Force's Lebanon branch. The Lebanon branch is known to serve as a link between Hezbollah and the Iranian regime, supporting Hezbollah's military capabilities. A large-scale US Air Force transport operation heading to Europe and the Middle East has been confirmed. Numerous C-5, C-17, and KC-135 transport aircraft have crossed the Atlantic. Iranian Foreign Minister Abbasara posted on social media Saturday that radioactive fallout from more attacks on the Bushehr nuclear plant would devastate regional capitals, not Tehran. Iran has allowed ships with essential goods and humanitarian aid to pass through the Strait of Hormuz to its ports or nearby waters under specific regulations. As a result, companies are now able to send these goods again. Musa Ahmadi, head of the Parliamentary Energy Committee, said Iran's oil exports are rising and officials are ready for any emergency. Donald Trump, the President of the United States, said that he has already won this war and that the US Air Force is flying over Tehran while Iran can do nothing. As US and Israeli airstrikes persist, Iran's Ministry of Science announced Saturday that all university classes will move online until further notice. Fars news agency said authorities executed 2 men convicted of planning domestic terrorist attacks. Iraq has closed its southern border with Iran. This measure was taken after an Iraqi traveler was killed by Iranian forces. Al Jazeera Arabic, quoting the Iraqi Ministry of Electricity, reported that Iran has fully cut gas supplies to southern Iraq. Azerbaijan's state news agency Azertak reported that on Saturday, 10 trucks carrying 200 tons of food, medicine, and medical supplies were sent to Iran. Italy's Prime Minister Giorgia Meloni will arrive in Doha today to show solidarity and friendship. The Italian embassy in Doha said that after her Saudi Arabia visit, this is the first time a G7 or G20 leader has visited the Gulf since the war began. If there are updates, I'll make and upload another video. Thanks for watching.
Yeah.